Hey guys. So, Danae Anceso here. I'm so excited to make this announcement. It's been a long time coming. I created my own community on Kajabi, and it's called the Empowered Energy Circle. There's many circles within the energy circle, and I've organized everything. So you have the big planetary astrological event readings, you have the full moon readings, you have the new moon readings. They're all in their own little separate area. You have Q&A, means you get to ask me whatever you want and I'm going to answer it. And sometimes I post questions to help spur really inspiring and spiritual, divine conversations. That's the kind of stuff that I want to have and engage with you guys. There's high vibe recipes in the circle called High Vibe Recipe Tribe, where I'm posting some of my favorite recipes that are all for boosting that energy within your body and balancing the chakras. And also, we have topics each month that we really focus and talk about as a community for members only. And this month, we're talking about self-sabotage and how that has to do with self-worth and self-love. That's a big topic. So anyway, I'm so excited to launch this and have you guys be a part of it, that I'm offering the first 15 days for free so you guys can try it out and see what you think. I post in there every single day. There's lots of value. It's really high value. And that's what I've been wanting for so long to do. And so I'm inviting you guys to go and check it out. You have the full moon energy reading for the collective every single month, the new moon energy reading for the collective every single month. And you also get access to all the readings for any major planetary events or alignments or retrogrades that are going on. So this month you can go in there and already find discussions, recipes, readings for the full moon, the new moon. I'll add as it gets closer to the new moon. And all of the planets are direct for the next 3 months going into April 21st. That reading is in there too. So there's all kinds of good information because I want to be able to give you guys great value to the people that I know that want it. I want to interact and have this community for people who are sincere and focused on their self-development, their spiritual development, moving forward on their path and their purpose. They are ready for empowerment. So this community is for you guys. The reason why there's a subscription is because I only want people who are on that path, who are determined to be on that path, to be members of this circle. It's called Empowered Energy Circle for a reason. I want people who are focused to be on that path of self-empowerment and to be connected to the divine, to be in that circle. This allows me to give you the content that I know that you want, that I know that is missing, and is my way of connecting with you in a more heartfelt manner. So this way I know you will get this content and you have access to it whenever you want. Whenever it fits your schedule. You can go into the community and look at everything. You have access to it all the time, as long as you're a subscribed member. So it's a win-win for everybody. And it supports my passion and purpose to be able to continue to give you guys that kind of content and guidance and encouragement and empowerment and be there for you. So I really hope that you take time to go in and check out the community. Check it out for your 15 days for free and see what you think about it and if you love it. And I hope you continue to be a member of that community. And again, it's for people who really are wanting to embark on a journey of that empowerment and that connecting to their divine self, because that's where your empowerment is from. It's all within you and connecting to that source energy, to that higher power. So I hope to see you there. This is my invitation to you. I really hope to see you there and connect with you guys in so many different ways and provide high value to you all. I'll see you there.